What is going on, guys? We've got the 2014-2015 Donruss basketball set here. I am a Sixer fan, sadly. And most of all, Joel Embiid is my favorite player. He might be getting a lot of hate right now. And he deserves a lot of blame. I can't lie, he does. But he is still my favorite player. And the player that realistically got me into basketball in a way. Drew Holiday was the first player I saw, but Embiid kind of finished it all. Once he was drafted, I was forever in Sixer debt. I bought this hobby box that is his draft class because I do have a rookie Joel Embiid card that I found at a card shop type thing. I think it was like a little sale. Or so, I forget what exactly it was called, but I got it for like 40 bucks. It was a lot, but it was a rookie Joel Embiid card, and I think that was, I forget exactly what it was. I graded it, I think I got 8.5. One of my more beloved cards, even though I didn't pull it, but ever since I've been wanting to pull Joel Embiid card. So I bought this set to hopefully pull one for myself. Now, this set, speaking of Marcin Gortat, a lot of weird players. Luka Mbamute, the guy that got Joel Embiid into basketball, really, got him noticed. We get a, what do you call it? Like a lava refractor. What is this? A Damari Carroll card? That's kind of fun. And a Wilt Chamberlain little insert. What is this? A Donruss Elite. And a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar Scoring King. Which I really like the Scoring Kings cards. I think they look pretty good. I've been wanting to get this set because prisms are just way too expensive. Old prisms, I think for 2014, go for about $1,000, give or take. And there is not a chance that I was spending $1,000 on prism cards. Because prisms, all right, production line Joakim Noah, Derek Favors, the Court Kings tie Lawsuit Lawson. So I've been wanting to get this. It just took a minute to get in. Over a lot of other things that I've been getting, this one took probably one of the longest to get. I think he got one of the rookies on the back. I know this is Nicola's draft class as well, but Nicola is in this set. I mean, he was like a second round pick. We get Dominators, Paul Westphal autograph. I forgot this just come with I think one or two autographs. Paul Westphal. I mean, not exactly who I was looking for. Dominators, Wesley Matthews, and a Kyle Anderson rookie. I do like Kyle. It was numbered out of 149. I don't remember how many autos. I've seen some people get like 2 autos, I think. I mean, out of all, number one thing I'd want to see out of this is an autographed Joel Embiid card. That would be the be all end all. Little LeBron James, little Cleveland Donruss, little Perk, Derek Favors, Victor Oladipo, OJ Mayo, little production line Al Jefferson, little elite dominators Russell Westbrook. I like that, and the rookies PJ Harrison. Really just want that Joel Embiid though. If I don't get a Joel Embiid out of this, there's gonna be a problem. This is a thick one. It could be a memorabilia, or it can be. Did they put in the little spacers? They might have put in space. Wait. There might be something actually. Reggie Jackson, little D-Rose action here. Roy Hibbert, JaVale McGee, Taj Gibson, backwards out, Jefferson, another Dominators. Oh, this is actually different than the one we just got. Another refractor out, Jefferson. And it was a fat spacer. I was right. We hate space. John Wall. And what is this? The Scoring Kings. Jerry West. Kind of cool. I kind of like the old Donruss away. They look nice. This is like one of my first few like mid 2000s packs that I've opened. I've opened some basketball from 90, 91, some baseball from the 90s. But never opened anything from the mid 2000s. So, Kevin Durant in the OKC jersey. PG-13, Andre Iguodala out of 199, I believe. A little rainbow refractor, Andre Iguodala. With a little sleeve up there. A little Shaq Dominators. And a Russ Smith rated rookie. A little Tobias Harris from the Magic. Terrence Jones, Goran Dragic, Anthony Bennett, Steph Curry, Andre Drummond, Elite Dominators, Bradley Beal, and an Eric Green rated rookie. Paul Millsap, Joe Keane, Brendan Bass, Channing Frye, Chris Paul, press proof numbered Rick Barry. And then we've got a regular Greg Monroe. That's kind of crazy, Greg Monroe. And a Clyde Drexler Scoring King. Interesting stuff here. It's crazy looking back how many players are not even close to being on the same team in these cards. Actually kind of wild how many players. And also it's always crazy looking back at old draft class and seeing the busts, the players that aren't in the league anymore. Jimmy Butler having an amazing playoff series as this is going on. As I'm recording this, he is up 3-0 on the Boston Celtics. Production line, Ricky Rubio. Alfonso. No, I'm not even going to question that. And a Court Kings, James Harden. Nice little card there. Still have not seen any of the top rookies from this class. The top rookies are Embiid, Wiggins, Smart, I guess, technically. Nicole is not in this because he was a second-round pick. Kind of blanking on the rest. Wiggins was number 1. Embiid was number 3. Who was number 2? I'm in trouble remembering. Kawhi Leonard, Deron Williams, Tim Duncan, Nick Fournier, Brandon Jennings, press proof. Wow. Press proof Roy Hibbert. And a little Kevin McHale. Is that a little LeBron James? I see Scoring Kings LeBron James. I'll take that. I like that. A little LeBron James action. I'll take that. Now we're trying to get through a good couple of packs, and no sign of Joel Embiid. I'd like to get Joel Embiid out of the way already so I can enjoy the rest of these packs. I'm not seeing JoJo. Harrison Ilyasova, one of the snipers. Robin Lopez, the post-hook king. Jeff Teague, Eric Bledsoe, Tyreek Evans, production line. Wow, Like Kendall Marshall? Jeez. Interesting one. Kevin Love in the back and Larry Bird in the front. This is a thick one, so this is probably another fat spacer. Luis Scola, Cody Zeller, who's about to get a ring. Good chance. Steve Nash, Klay Thompson, Al Gasol, Alfonso, little rainbow hollow. Spacer, fat spacer. A little bit of that magical Irving Johnson. And a little bit that Russell Smith. Not the rookie I'm looking for. There can only be so many spacers. There can only be so many spacers. Drew Holiday Pelicans card. I like that. Hollis Thompson. Okay, Rudy Gay. Larry Sanders. Ty Lawson. We got a die cut. Auto of Greg Smith. Greg Smith out of 99. So, yeah. Got Isaiah Thomas and a Jordan Clarkson rookie card. Greg Smith. Great Greg Smith die cut auto. Little wiggly auto that he's got. Forgot there were those die cuts. I'm guessing there might be a couple other die cuts in here. Another fat pack. Another one. This one actually is fat. The last one, I think I just kind of felt the die cut. Praying that rookie on the back's Joel Embiid. That's all I'm praying. Josh Smith, Draymond Green. Is that Boogie taking a charge? Nerlens Noel on the Sixers. Norris Cole. J.J. Hickson. Oh, brother. James Harden. I like that. That's a nice looking card for James. His little rocket day. Big fat spacer. Oh, the great Moses Malone. And the wrong Sixer on the back. KJ McDaniels. Wrong Sixer on the back. So close to having a W6er pack, but we're still waiting. And it's going to be very sad if this ends with no Joel, because that pack is a lot smaller than what I last looked at it. Not gonna lie. Is it really that hard to pull an Embiid out of this? Mason Plumlee, Kevin Martin, Jeff Green, LaMarcus Aldridge, Amari Stoudemire, Derek Williams, nice little lava refractor, I think they're called. Not Joel Embiid on the back. Ryan Anderson, the money stealer. James Ennis. I really did like James Ennis at his time as a Sixer. But that's not the card that I'm looking for. Nicholas Batum. Rudy Goddard. Zach Randolph. Jamal Crawford. Mike Dunleavy. The name I haven't seen in a while. Numbered James Young. Man, they don't like the rookies in this set. They don't. Hakeem the Dream Olajuwon. And that's James Ennis again? Didn't I just get James Ennis? Pretty sure I just got James Ennis. I didn't even get the right Celtic. Another fat pack. I mean, we have 3 spaces already. 3 spaces already. How many more can you get? Anderson Varejao, Andrew Bogut, Nikola Vucevic, Courtney Lee, Raymond Felton. The memorabilia. Is that a Shaq memorabilia? Shaquille O'Neal Magic memorabilia. This includes game-worn material. Shaq. Wow. I was not expecting that. Court Kings Bosch and a Dennis Rodman. Look at that. Shaq making a really interesting appearance here that I was not expecting. Shaq game worn. Little blue napkin. Right? I don't mind that too much. I am a big center guy. And Shaq. This will fit. Yes, it will. Shaq is one of the most dominant centers of all time, if not. So that one wasn't the troll one. So I think on pace, you're gonna get like you're gonna get a material, 2 autos, but you're gonna get like 3 spacers so people can't headhunt this pack and just pick up the fat cards every time. So you'll get one of them. There's a rookie on the back of this. Can it be Joel Embiid, Jason Terry, Jeremy Lin? You gotta love your Jay Lin. Gordon Hayward before the incident. Carmelo Anthony, newly retired player. Trevor Ariza back to back. Press proof number to Trevor Ariza. DJ Wilcox and David Robertson. David Robinson. I just say Robert. All right, so I'm not gonna lie. So far, we've got 6 packs left, and Joel Embiid is not here. I'm getting a little nervous. Because the Shaq's cool, the autos definitely are mid. This box ain't looking too hot, and I still haven't even seen a Shaq. Oh wow, that's old KG. We got some interesting players. TJ Warren, rookies. Why couldn't this be a Joel Embiid? TJ Warren's killed my Sixers. Noah Vonleh, now Jefferson, back-to-back Hornets. Oh, brother. This is getting a little bad. Joel Embiid, where are you? I'm just asking for at least the base. The base or the rookies. How can't Joel Embiid be here? He has to be here. Davius Caldwell Pope might be getting a ring. Tony Roten, Nick Collison, Danny Green, Jonas Valanciunas, Patrick Patterson. That's a name I haven't heard in a little bit. Andrew Wiggins. Well, we got one of the top rookies, but it's not the rookie I want. I want his Kansas brother. Is that too much to ask for to want Joel Embiid? Is it too much to ask for? That's all I want. Jonas Jerebko, Avery Bradley, Stevenson, Tony Parker, Derek Collison, production line AD, Allen Iverson. They're teasing the Sixers so bad. They have given me 3 of probably the all-time Sixers. It's like they know this pack should be Joel Embiid, and he's just not popping out, Mitch Richmond. Where is Joel Embiid? I have AI, Moses, Wilt. Only missing Dr. J. My goodness. Where's Joel? You got all these Sixers elites, but not a single Joel Embiid. Asking for the base. At the least, the base, Joel Embiid. That's it, Isaiah Cannon. Danilo Gallinari, Rajon Rondo. Marcus Sol, Kevin Love might get another ring, who knows. Production line, Blake Griffin. James Harden, Embiid's most recent teammate. The Court King D-Rose. And still, no Joel Embiid with 2 packs remaining. Oh no. Oh no. DeMar DeRozan, Billy Olynyk, David West, Serge Ibaka, Nick Young, Dion Waiters. Don't care about this. Oh, Kyle Lowry. Kiki Vanderway. There's 1 pack left. And they don't like it. They said, you paid this money. The product is no Joel Embiid. Where's DL, Josh Robertson, Larry Fields, Anthony Davis, Andre Iguodala, Question 9, Chris Paul, and no. Oh, wow. We got the auto, Paul Westfall. Got the numbered Rainbow Hollow Iggy. We have the die cut base out of 99, autograph Greg Smith. You got the Shaq game worn material from the Magic. You got the Wiggins rookie, but no Joel Embiid, and a bunch of other stack of lava foil elites, production lines, court kings, but we did not get a Joel Embiid. So the hunt for my own pull, Joel Embiid, is still on the line. But if you like this video and you want some more, leave it in the comment section down below and let me know if I should open another one of these boxes here soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.